Good morning, student. Today I will teach you fill in the numbers. Either 3,406 tens and 4 ones. 3,000. How to make a number? 3,460 plus 4. It means 3464. 3,464. Now here's 8,000. 0, 4 tens, 6 1, 8,000. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000. 0, 100 plus 4 tens, 40 plus 6 ones. It means 8,000. 0 tens means 0, 100 means 0 and 40 and 6, 46. Okay. Now next one, 7,000. You write here 7,000 plus 200. You write 200. 0 tens means 0 and 2 ones means 2. Yes, here 7,202. Students, remember it. If the 0 in tens place, 100 place, ones place, then you write in place of 0. Okay. 5,000. 5,000 plus 600 plus 5 tens and 0. So you write 5,650. Remember, in one place is 0. This one you do yourself. Yes, write the number so on a abacus. Here ones, tens, 100,000. In ones place, how many abacus? 1, 2, 3. You mention here 3. Tens place 1, 2, 2. 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4. You write here 4. And 1000 place 1. The number is 1423. Now the next one. In ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tens place 1, 2, 3. No any abacus in 100 place. So you mention 0. And 1000 place is 1. So our number make 1035 because no any number in 100 place. Okay. Now same as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in ones place. No any number in tens. So you mention 0. In 100 place 1, 2. And 1000 place 1, 2, 3. So you write here 3. The number is 3,204. Okay. This 3 is your homework. Now the next homework is write the number in name in word 251 to 300. Thank you.